Hello everyone, welcome to episode 8 of Duo Doers. In this episode, we're going to be doing a DIY kitchen countertop vinyl. Just like other episodes, we will be linking all the products that we use in the description section below. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing to do is to clean the countertops really well. We used Zep. It's just a degreaser. You want to make sure that there's no grease in the countertop, that way the glue sticks in. The products that we use is a paper and spatula. The paper that we used there, we got it from Walmart. It was very affordable. I think we got it for like around $5. And I only used 1.5 rolls. You will also need a knife or a pair of scissors, anything that can cut. For this project, I do recommend doing it with someone else. I don't know, I haven't done it by myself, but I assume that it will be a little bit more of a challenge if you do it yourself, because as you see us doing it there, one of us pulls the paper, the other one removes the bubbles that there are, and it stretches the paper as well. It's not impossible to do it yourself, but it will save you some time, I think. For this section, I do have a tip for you guys. We struggle a little bit putting that section in. The best thing for you guys to do, it's going to be to cut the paper into smaller pieces. Just like I will do it right there. It is almost impossible to remove all the bubbles if you do it that way. When we cut it into smaller pieces, it was way easier for us. And honestly, you can't even tell the difference between from the part that we cut it. You can't really tell the difference. And it's worth it. I mean, it's saving us lots of time. We decided to do this project because one, it was affordable, and we really wanted a different color. We want to change the countertops at some point, but right now it's not in our budget, so we just decided to try this idea. We wanted a lighter countertop just because our kitchen is fairly small, and we feel like the countertop, that colored countertop, it made our kitchen look smaller. We wanted to just try something lighter before we buy anything, a different countertop. I really like this idea. I think it's a great idea, and especially for if you're living in an apartment. I remember like there's some apartments that tend to have a very, very old countertops. Some of them, the color is horrible. So this idea, it actually works. I mean, you can always remove it or just leave it there, or yeah, like some renters will appreciate you leaving it there. I mean, it looks really, really different. We thought that it was going to be an easier project. We were thinking that it was going to take us around 30 minutes to 20 minutes to do this project, but I think it took us like an hour, just because there's a lot of details, there's a lot of cutting, and it was our first time doing it, so it did took us a while, but it was worth it. I think at the end of the day, the price and the time, it was all worth it. I am in love with our countertops. Our kitchen looks way different, and yeah, we really like it. This section of the kitchen, of the countertop, I did have a little bit more difficulties, maybe because I did a lot of the section by myself. but there were a lot of imperfections. But I also think there's appliances that go into the countertop, so all the appliances can cover up all the imperfections. Like you won't really tell, you can't tell unless you're just straight up looking at it. And I use my drying dish rack there, so you can't even tell where I messed up. And just if there's any gaps or any places that you didn't put any paper, you can just cut sections just like I'm doing it there, and you can't even tell the difference. But that's all we have for today. Like I said, we are in love with our countertops, and it was worth it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our video. Remember to subscribe to our channel, to give it a thumbs up, and see you guys next Wednesday. Also, remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.